Compared with traditional manual catching or flow systems, this automatic broiler harvesting cage system, auto-opening mesh, plus conveying chain, plus lifting transfer, shows significant advantages. Manual catching, 6 to 8 workers per house, handling about 2,000 to 3,000 birds an hour. Automatic system, only 2 to 3 operators needed. Capacity reaches 8,000 to 12,000 birds an hour. Efficiency is improved by 2 to 4 times, and harvesting time is reduced by over 50%. The mesh panels automatically open in a controlled and stable manner, allowing chickens to exit smoothly without panic. This design minimizes stress and reduces wing flapping, which helps prevent injuries. Once released, the chickens step onto a conveying chain system that moves at an optimized, gentle speed. The conveying chain ensures uniform transport, avoiding overcrowding and maintaining consistent flow. The chain surface is designed with anti-slip features, providing secure footing for the birds. This greatly reduces the risk of slipping, bruising, or leg damage during movement. As the chickens move forward, they reach the end lifting conveying device without the need for manual handling. The lifting system operates smoothly with adjustable height, adapting to different facility layouts. This lifting device improves efficiency by transferring chickens vertically with minimal disturbance. It also reduces labor intensity and enhances overall operational safety. Finally, the chickens are automatically transported to the storage area or directly into transport cages. This automated process ensures high efficiency, better animal welfare, and consistent product quality. Subscribe and contact us now.